Hello, greetings everyone. This is Avishka Thadani and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Right here, you will be getting all the front page updates of the day quite informatively. So, before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. In 1766, a Dutch adventurer, William Bolts, proposed the idea of starting English newspapers for British in Calcutta. He was deported by the East India Company before his plans could come into fruition. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with our first news of the day. Ugly scenes in Rajasthan Assembly, Congress MLAs open fight. Ugly scenes unfolded in the Rajasthan Assembly as Congress MLA Rajendra Singh Gura, who was recently dismissed as a minister, decided to unveil secrets and speak about a mysterious red diary containing what he alleged were the incriminating secrets of CM Ashok Gehlot, which could even send him to prison. However, the speaker refused and BJP MLAs protested by rushing to the well of the house, shouting slogans and waving red diaries. In turmoil, Gouda approached the speaker's chair and demanded a chance to speak. He then walked up to Parliamentary Affairs Minister Shanti Dhariwal, seemingly attempting to manhandle him. Rajasthan passes bill for gig workers, says it's the first one in the country. The Rajasthan Assembly passed a bill for gig workers, freelance foot soldiers who move the wheels of Swiggy, Zomato, and other quick commerce platforms, amid assertion by Ashok Gehlot-led Congress government that this bill was one of a kind passed in the country and a trailblazing for the whole world. The Rajasthan platform-based gig workers bill was cleared without discussion after being moved by Labour Minister Sukhram Vishnoi during Bedlam sparked by sacked Minister Rajendra Singh Gura's sensational red diary claims against CM Gehlot. Social activist Nikhil De hailed the passage of the bill, saying a new path had been opened for providing social security to gig workers in our country and all around the world. The law was suggested today by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in his Bharat Jodo Yatra last year. Later, Rahul had asked Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot to take multiple steps for social security of gig workers. According to the legislation to be signed into law by the governor, the state will establish a fund for registered platform-based gig workers and charge aggregators a welfare fee. We are ready to discuss Manipur in the parliament, but opposition doesn't want it, says Amit Shah. On another day of adjournment and businesses apart from Manipur, Home Minister Amit Shah urged the opposition parties to let Manipur discussion take place, as it is very important for the truth to come out in the whole country. His statements in the Lok Sabha came amidst relentless protest by opposition parties, forcing Speaker Om Birla to yet again adjourn the House. Shah said several MPs from both the sides have demanded to have a debatable session on the northeastern situations. I am ready to have a discussion in the House, but I do not know why the opposition does not want it, says Amit Shah. Shah's stand was aimed at driving home the point that the government was not running away from this issue, and it was the opposition which has not been keen on it being debated. It is learned Rajnath Singh called up Congress chief and leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, Sunday evening to discuss. Sources said Kharge told Singh that the Manipur issue is a serious subject that requires a statement from the PM and a full discussion in both houses. That's it with all the front page updates. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.